Hello everyone. So today we are going to answer this question right here. The user enters a cost and then the amount of money given. The program will figure out the change and the number of quarters, dimes, nickels, pennies needed for the change. So here we already have a hint that we need a scanner here because the user enters a cost. So let's do that right now. We are going to import the scanner and let us call the Java file change. So this is done, and let us do the main. Awesome. So first of all, we're gonna do a new scanner. Okay, so the first part is to ask the user to write the total cost of whatever they're buying. So my situation, what I'm understanding from this question is, well, a customer is entering a shop and they're buying whatever, and we need the total price and then the money given by the customer, and then we just have to figure out the change. So here we're gonna ask for the total price. So here you go. Welcome to our store. We hope you found everything. Okie dokie. Okay, so here we're gonna ask for, let me print line. Please input the total price of your items. Now we will assume that the customer knows that prices are in double. So here we go. Total price done. Now we're gonna do the same for the money given. So system out print line. Please input the amount of money you wish to give. And then double money given. So now since we are searching for the change, we just have to deduct the total price from the money given. So double change money given minus total price, and there you go. And for sake of simplicity, it'd be better for us to make some methods. So what I'm gonna do here is just take the change and then call a method that's gonna calculate the number of quarters at first that can fit into the change, and then we're gonna call we're gonna deduct that amount of money, and then we're gonna call the dime, and then we're gonna do the same thing for the nickels and then the pennies. So here we go. System out print. So this is when we are giving it, and let's call it right now. So let's call it quarter calculator, and we're gonna pass in change. Okay, let's start our methods here. Nothing is gonna be returned, so we're just gonna print out the change. Here we go. And let me just do that for the others. So this is going to be for dime, nickel, and then penny. So dime. Hooray, so we got that done. And since I don't like things being cluttered, let me just do this. Alrighty. So we're almost there, actually. So we know that quarters are this, 0.25. And we're just gonna calculate. So how many quarters go into the change? So quarter, change divided by quarter. Now this is gonna give a double, and you don't want that. You just want to have like the round amount, because you can't have like, I don't know, like half a quarter. So we're just gonna cast it into an integer. So int number of quarters equals int quarter change. And then you're just gonna print it out now. So this is already a part done. Number of quarters plus quarters. Okay, so here we go. This is already one part of the method. Now I want to call another method, so the dime calculator right after. So first of all, I want to calculate the rest of the change after the number of quarters given. So let us do this. Double rest of change. Change minus number of quarters times 0.25, because that's what a quarter is. And then call it. How simple is that? Rest of change. And then this is the amazing part. Since it's so easy, you just have to copy paste this, and then you're just gonna change whatever is inside. There you go. Okay. Okay, we're at the dime calculator right now. Okay. So we're creating the double dime, not dimer, dime. And then a dime is 10 cents. There you go. You want dime change. So the change here, we're passing in the rest of the change from the other method into this one. So change divided by dime. And then number of dimes equals dime change. So we're casting it into an integer, and then we're doing the same thing. Number of dimes here. Rest of change. Okay, we're gonna do that again. So it's like a method-ception, if you want. So we're just calling the next method in the method, and until everything is done. So there you go, a method-ception. Number of dimes here. And here, we're not going to leave it at dime calculator. Obviously, we're going to change it to nickel calculator, because you want to call it, call in the other method. So there you go. Double. We're going to change it to nickel. And what is a nickel? It's 5 cents. Woohoo! So, nickel change. And since we called it, from here, its name is going to change to change. So there you go. Change divided by nickel. And then number of nickels. Casting it into an integer. So we're printing it now, number of nickels. And we're doing it again. Double rest of change equals change minus number of nickels times 5 cents. And then finally, you're gonna call in the penny calculator. Hallelujah. Okay. So, right now, double is penny. And how much is a penny? It's a cent. Wow. So smart. Okay. So, the penny change. So we passed in the rest of the change from the nickel calculator. Now we're gonna do change divided by penny. Number of pennies, quarter. Penny change. And then we're gonna print it out. Number of pennies. So we're giving this much to them. And then this is okay because we can just delete it since we are done. Yep, that's pretty much it. So obviously after the nickel calculator, you could actually just leave it at that. But just for sake of understanding what's going on, I just wrote the penny calculator. So let us save this. I'm gonna save it to my desktop. There you go. You wanna compile it. Oh, what did I do wrong? Number of no, nickels quarters. Great. Okay. There you go. I hope there's nothing else. There you go. Okay. Okay, so also I forgot to close my scanner. So let's just close the scanner and compile again. And then run this baby. So please input the total price. Let me put something real weird. Okay, so let's say you give in $400. So you're gonna give that much quarters. 2 dimes, 0 nickels, 0 pennies. Yep, that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions, just leave them in the comment down below. I'm gonna leave this file in the description box. I'm gonna put in some comments if you would like also. I think it would be easier for you to read if you haven't gotten through all of the video because it's quite long. So that's it. Thank you very much, and I hope you have fun with computer science. Woo! See ya.